In this video, we will see the select with join statements. So let us see the agenda for this session. So first we will cover the overview of select with join statement, and then we will see the syntax for the same, and then we will see the select for all entries, the another type of select statement, and with an example we will see for the both select with join and select for all entry statements. So what is select with join statement? So it is statement to fetch the data from different multiple tables. So here we are joining the tables, so it means we are making use of two or more tables here. So there is at least one common field should be there in all these tables. So there are two types of join, that is inner join and outer join. So let us see what all these are. So inner join is used to match the records between two particular tables. So there is matching record between the two tables, so those elements will be captured, that is those records will be fetched. So any unmatched records would be there, those won't be selected at all. But in case outer join, if there are two tables, so the left table, that is the first table, would be all the data from the first table would be mapped, and the unmatched records, that is from the second table, it won't be selected, that is they would be blank itself. So this is the syntax for join statement. Here we are making use of table, that is T1, and F1 is the field. So similarly here we are selecting all the fields here, and we can see the field F1, F1, F1. So F1 is common to here, common to all these three tables. So we can say our field F1 is a primary key, and on the basis of F1 field we will be selecting our data from this. So we have selected all these fields from here, and into the table, this is our internal table from table 1, and we have given our alias name. So based on this alias name we will fetch our data. Then we are applying the inner, or we can apply also the outer join here, and here we have provided our T2, this is the T2 table, and we have also applying an alias name for the table T2 here, and we have provided our condition. So based on this condition, that is T2 F1, F1 was our primary key in all these fields. So here similarly for the inner and outer join we are using F1 key based on the table T2 field 1 and table T3 field 1, and at the last we have provided our where condition. So based on this where condition we are getting our data into our internal table. So here we can see a simple example. So we have a table zcust data here, and another table zcust bank data. So here we are joining our table. So here we can see there is this inner join, that is all the fields from here and there. So what all fields are matching, the output is here. So here 1001, and here also we can see 1001. So based on these fields it has been populated here. Similarly for 1003. So it also has been populated. So these entries are matching, that's why it is coming here. So this entry, that is 1002, it is not matching here, that's why it is not here. Moreover, in the outer join output we can see all the entries, that is 1, 0, 2 and 3. All the entries are mapped. So here 2 is not there, that's why it is coming as blank. So the left, that is the first table, all the entries from the first table has been mapped in the outer join table. Now let us see the select for all entries. So where we are using select for all entries. So there is a restriction with the select for join statement, that is if we are using 2 or more than 2 or maybe 3 tables when we are using, it puts a heavy load on the select with join, since all the data from all the 3 tables has to be matched at the same time. So it takes long time for execution. So for this we are applying select for all statements. So what it does, it never puts the load on the database, because at a time only 2 tables are being compared, and that's why it is taking very less time and it is very effective. So here is an example of select for all entries statement. So here we are selecting these 3 fields from database table 1 and into the table internal table. So based on some condition we have provided. So now what we are doing, if the internal table is not initial, that is it has no value here, so what we are doing, select values from, we have provided the field values from database table 2 and into the table internal table 2. So here we are using internal table 2. Then we have applied our select for all entries into the internal table 1. So both these internal table 1 and internal table 2 are now being compared. So there is no question of an external table, that is third table is not here. So here every time two tables are being compared, and we have provided our condition, that is f1 equals to this and f2 equals to this, and based on this condition we are populating our data into internal table 2. So now we will see all these steps practically.
So as we saw, we have already two methods. That is, one is the conventional one, that is simple using inner join and outer join. To in the select query we can join our tables as we require, and the second one is select for all statement. So first we will see the simple one, that is inner join, and then I will show you another program where we are using select for all entries. So first report that I have already made is rejoin. So I have already made some programs just for simplicity and just to save time, and this is the one that I have already made. I will just show you, I will display it. So this is my report name, rejoin. So I have created a structure starting with its name is ty mara makt. So it has some fields: matner, mtart, mbrsh, meins, spras, maktx. So these are the fields which are of the type mara matner, something like this. So this is the structure that we have already created. Now we are declaring an internal table with the type table of ty mara makt that we have already declared here. That is the structure. Then we have the work area, which is also of the type of this particular structure. Now we are using a select statement here. We are selecting matner field from mara table. Similarly, we are also selecting in total 6 fields: matner, mtart, embers, means, spras, and mactext. And we have already selected these fields, and we are sending these fields into this particular internal table, into table internal table this that we have defined it here. Now we are giving from where we are taking this text. All these fields we are selecting it from the predefined table, that is mara, and we have given an alias name, that is mara itself. So we have given an alias name as mara, and we are applying an inner join on macket table. So alias name here also it is macket itself. So this is the condition where, so as we know, if we have to apply a join condition between two tables, there must be a simple primary key or so, something like that, between the both tables, where some particular data in that particular table would be matched. So here also in the mara table and the makt table, we have a field named as matnr, material number. So this we are applying this particular select condition on this particular condition, that is where the matner of mara table is equals to matner of makt, and we have also applied another condition, that is the value of mtart is equals to fert and spras is equals to en. I think it's a language field. So let's just see once again what is happening. We are selecting all these fields into the table internal table this, from this particular table mara as this, and we are applying inner join on the condition this, and we have given an where parameter on this select statement as mara matner mara mtart equals to fert and spras is equals to en. At the last, we are just looping our internal table into the work area, and we are just writing the work area, all these matner number and mtrt, mbrs, meins, spras, and at the last we have maktx. So all these fields will be written in the output. We are just specifying the color. mtrt would be of the color 6. We will see what color it is. So I hope this particular piece of code is understandable. We have applied a select statement on these fields into the table this, from this table and this table, in join on this particular table, and we are mentioning the alias name as this. We can mention any alias name. So here we have mentioned as Mara and MAKT. So this is the condition on which this inner join is working, that is the maintainer of the RA table and maintainer of the MAKT. That is, these both values, wherever these values are matching, only that particular fields will be taken, selected. Now let's just run this application, run this report. So here we can see the color 6, that is red color, it is coming here, and color 1 is blue itself. So all these values are matched and joined. So this was the example of inner join, but here we are just taking an example of two tables, and for that it is okay to use inner join, but in real world scenarios it is not suggested to use inner join. Now we will see another type of join, that is select for all entries. So inner join, it has some um, restriction, that is, if you are using two or more, that is 3 or 4 something table, then it takes much time to process, and it is not suggested to use inner join. Now let's take an example of another program that I have already created. Let join select for all. So this is the report that I have created already. I will show you. Okay, so this is our report name. Then we have defined structures TY-MARA. It has some fields MATNER, MBRS, MEINS, which are of the type this one. Similarly, this was one of the structures. We have the second structure. This one was from the table MARA itself. This is from the table MAKT. So it also has some fields MATNER, SPRAS, MAKTX, and finally we have one final structure where we are merging all these fields like MATNER, MBRS, means, PRAS, and MAKTX. So these were our three structures that we have created. Then we have internal table for these. So I-MARA, which is of the type table TY-MARA, and we have the work area for that. And similarly we have MAKT, which is of the type table of TY-MAKTX, MAKT. So finally we have our third structure, and for that we have created our internal table and work area. So that's done. Now in the output we will be using an parameters, that is PMART, which is of the type MARA MTART. So if I double click on MARA, we have MTART. So here it is. So here in this particular table we have a row field, this MTART. So we are comparing to this. If I just go back, so it is of the type of MARA MTART parameters, this one. Now we have declared our three structures, and based on our three structures we have also declared our internal tables and work areas. Then we have used a parameter PTART. So there it is. Now we are using our select query. So simply we are just selecting star from MARA into corresponding fields of table of I-MARA. So what it does, what all fields in I-MARA has, it is just selecting and putting into I-MARA itself. So I-MARA has these three fields: MATNAR, MBRSH, means. So there we go. So into corresponding fields of table means that itself, that whatever fields I-MARA has, it will only plot into this particular internal table. And we have a condition MTART equals to this. So when we run this application, if I just show you, so here whatever values we are filling, it will go into this particular where condition. So on the basis of that, it will get some data. So this is one of the prerequisite if we are using for all entries, select for all entries. So if this particular I-MARA doesn't have any value, then this select for all entries would be a fail. It is must that I-MARA should have a some data. That is, this select statement would be returning some data into IMARA. So we have put a condition here. If not, IMARA is initial. That is, if IMARA is not equals to 0 or something like that. If it is not null, then this under select query will be run. That is, select star from MAKT into corresponding fields of IMAKT. So IMAKT has some more fields. I will show you. So IMAKT is of the type table of TYMAKT. TYMAKT is this, and it has 3 fields. So here we can see for all entries in just a second. Here we can see into corresponding fields of table IMAKT. So all these fields, all these values will be put into this particular internal table, which has only 3 fields, and then we are applying for all entries in IMARA. So we can see here IMARA. So when we applied this first select star method, select query, so some data was entered into IMARA, and since this data was in IMARA, our this if condition got true, and this particular select statement started. So here for all entries in Mara means whatever entries we have in IMARA, it will be matched, and for all those matched field, it will show the data. This particular select statement will work for all those internal table values that is contained in IMARA itself. Then we have another statement, that is where matner equals to IMARA matner. Whatever value the IMARA matner has, this select statement would work accordingly. So here we are getting some data, and then we are applying loop. So loop at IMARA into work area Mara, and loop at IMAKT into work area MAKT, where matner equals to work area Mara matner. So this is the condition here, and at the last we are just writing all our work area and the field names. So Mara has 3 fields and MAKT has 2 fields here. So if we just run it, and if we provide some input that is of the type mtkrt, suppose this is the one, and if we run it, 5 fields would be there. Yeah, 5 columns are there with multiple rows. So I hope you understood the basic difference between inner join and select for all entries. So hope this is clear to you, and thanks for watching.